Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Maisto transport truck. It's basically a 1957 Chevy flatbed with a 1957 Chevy Belair on it. So let's open it up and see what the details are. And while I do that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And whatever suggestions or comments, or if you like my videos, if you have anything, just leave a comment. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here are both of them out of their box, the truck and the Belair. Let's start with the Belair and then we'll go and see the details on the truck. Let's park the truck out of its way right now. Right, first up, paint job. Custom black and red paint job, looks good. I can also see all the trims, chrome trims from the side. Again, good details. White wheel tires, very period correct. You got out white wheels back then. Now let's move to the front. Up front, again some good details here. You got detailed headlamp, you got the chrome grille, chrome bumper. I don't know if these were chromes, but then there's trim parts here. I like how the windshield trim is all completed in chrome. Also got the windshield wipers. No mirrors here. I've noticed with this a lot of Maistos, they don't really do mirrors. I don't know why. Coming to the driver's side, again looks identical as the passenger side. I do notice here that the wheels have the steel wheels design here, which looks good on both front and wheel. It's not like random multi-spoke wheels. That looks good. Also the tires are rubber, again a good addition. Even the bottom is nicely detailed. You can see the exhaust going all the way there, and it has screws rather than rivets. So if you like to customize the interior, you can do it easily. It's a two-door. You can see the door handle there. Again, nice trim going all the way. Also you can see this white paint. I like the fin. Do you see the fin? Also the rear window on these older cars were such nice, big. Again, chrome detail all around. Scroll trim looks good. Tail lamp, again it's not painted. You got the chrome parts there, but it's not painted. Also got the chrome bumper and the exhaust. I'm not sure why there's no tip. Did Belair had flat exhaust? I have no idea. But overall looks like a nice decent casting. Now let's move on to the truck. So here is the truck. It's a 1957 flatbed. Again, it follows the same paint scheme, black, red and white, kind of the same, but it seemed to have more details than the Belair. So let's start from the front. Front, you got detailed headlamp, turn indicator, chrome grille, chrome trim on the hood, and on the hood again you have oldies towing, the phone number 3. And suppose they have a fleet, so they numbered it. No mirrors here either. I don't know why. I think Matchbox doesn't like to do mirrors. Now also you can see from the front this red emergency light. So yeah, if you're towing, you can turn that on. There's a big bar here. Now coming to the driver's side, cool details here too. You can see the fuel filler cap, door handle, finished in silver. Again the towing company sticker, oldest towing, flag of America, number 3. Toolboxes here, and you got marker lamps. Here you can see it has fire extinguisher in here. You also got the number 20. You also got the 24 hours written here, 24-hour service. Also this black and white paint on the side. White wheel tires look amazing, look really good. And if you see at the windshield, it's very classic. You don't see these days, even like the back of the truck. Coming to the back, again nice details. You can see tail lamps are detailed. You also got the number plate which says Maisto. Now this bed, again I like the details on this bed. It's what you will see actually on older trucks. They had this diamond pattern steel floor, which looks good. Now, this whole bed, because the flatbed, it's a towing truck, it comes all the way like this. And you can see the rear window, how big it is. Now you don't get those. So I like how it looks. It's a nice casting, looks really good. And since it's towing, so this one comes here, just goes up here, and it can go back into the car. So overall, I really like the set. I like the details on the truck more than I like those on Belair. Again, both of them have black interior, so nothing special there. But I really like the set. It looks nice, and I think Maisto has done a good job here. It's good work, Maisto. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.